Welcome back, everybody. Harry P with the Driftless Homestead. It's already a couple months ago now. The weather out here has been so crappy, but Mike from K&L Firewood made a deal with Twister Industries, and I'm sure you've seen the video where I picked up the equipment, but he made a deal for us to buy 2 wrappers, and then I threw a conveyor in on top of it since we were trying to beat the shipping, and I was driving out there anyways, so I just figured I'd throw it on a trailer and be done with it. Today's video, we're going to show you the operation of running the Twister, getting my bundles set up so I can fill the roadside stand. Stay tuned. So here's the Twister firewood bundler. I'm going to show you how I got this, how we're using it today. It's a little bit low, so I might set it on a pallet to raise it up. I'm not a giant, I'm 6'3", but it really bothers my back just to be hunched over a little bit. I had to get rid of a log splitter because of that. So let's see what through the paces. Now it's an electric one. It's got a foot pedal switch that you step on it and the wrap will come around, and pretty simple and straightforward, but we're going to see the quality of bundle it turns out. So it's set up for 1 cubic foot bundles, and I'll show you what else I got here with it. Holy smokes, my camera's all jacked up here. So along with the bundler, I bought 2 of these speed racks. So maybe if I'm wrapping bundles with my brother or somebody else, a guy could be loading a speed rack, a guy could be running the bundler, and just, you know, you just drop the full tray through and then the bundler's full, and this guy over here can keep doing that or part of the operation, you know. So he has a couple things to do over there. One is he runs the foot pedal and the wrap and cutting the wrap, but then he'll also put in a label, and then my part of value-added firewood is to make all firewood real pretty with the Easton made 1222, and then to also to have it all the same length. Now, as I transition to the higher quality, all at the same length, there was a few mistakes that we did actually a year before. I'm still splitting on those. So the quality will increase. But I also put a fire starter in there and a pack of matches. You know, I'm going to $6, and so someone has to ask themselves, one, why would I pay $6.99 at the gas station plus 5% sales tax without buying this $6 bundle? And really, that's kind of tongue-in-cheek, because you people out there selling firewood need to understand how much it's going for at the store, and then with tax, how much it is. And if you're selling for $5, or by my house, you can ask Tony from Chris in the Woodyard. There's a stand that's selling bundles for $2.50. Unbelievable, especially with the price of gasoline and inflation in general. So I'm going to $6. Part of the reason I'm justifying that $6 is the value added. One, I have extremely high quality wood. There's no poplar or pine in here. It's all maple or ash wood in here, so it's a high quality wood. Then I'm throwing in a pack of matches and a fire starter. All in, I think that the pack of matches and the fire starters got me at 12 cents. So for 12 more cents out of my pocket, I get to earn 88 cents more money. So if I was you, I would consider raising your prices and then doing something that doesn't cost you a lot to justify that extra dollar. Plus, you know, if you were to back out the tax, which if any of you work for the state of Wisconsin tax department, you know, I'm technically selling the wood for less than $6 and then charging up to $6 with the tax, versus the gas station, it's $6.99 plus tax. So let's see how this works. I'm going to show you the tray just for shits and giggles here. So I'm trying to get the corners out to make the bundle really tight. I'll have the square wood into the corners. So as you know, I have an Easton made 1222. Got that box wedge, which is turning out really nice, square type wood. But Tony from Chris in the Wood Yard, he also started a firewood stand this year, and he showed me the wood that he had made with his new axis, and unbelievable the quality of wood he's got. So I'm gonna call that a bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one's kind of small pieces of wood. So when you look at that, I think before when I was in the bag, I was putting in 12 pieces of wood. I was probably over a cubic foot, and still had the fire starter and the match in there. But this is fairer for me and fairer for the customer. So what you do is you take this tray, let me readjust the camera here. Okay, so what we do then is we take the speed tray and we just set it in here like this. And the speed tray drops out the bottom like that, and it's ready to wrap, as long as you don't drop the wood all over the place like I did. Okay, so here's what I do is I put the fire starter, it's just one of these squares, it works really well, and then the pack of matches in the baggie, so keeps the matches dry and the fire starter dry, so even if your wood gets a little bit wet, you'll still be okay. So what I do then is I try to throw it on the high side of a piece of wood so that the wrap holds it tight in the package and it won't slip out the bottom. Just back in here. All right. So here we are. So you just step your foot in here on the foot switch, and it wraps around there. So get it around the first one, let go of it. Just a bit too tight. Karate chop there. And you got yourself a nice tight bundle of firewood there. Yeah, Mike set us up with these. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. He's a pretty nice guy. If you guys don't watch his channel, you should. He's got a nice little firewood channel. A lot of people got nice firewood channels. So once again, I try to get the wood so that it's square into the corners, so that it has a nice square corner for stacking. And just bring it up. it's Driftless Homestead. Remember, on June 11th, come and check us out at the Firewood Frenzy, and you'll get your chance to run the Twister firewood wrapper, and we'll see you there. Have a good one. Bye.